Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Filmora video editing app. And in today's video, I will show you now how to simply add a video overlay, just like what you see on the screen of this video in Filmora video editing app without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and close this project tab. Then we can start all over from the beginning. For that, I'm going to go ahead and click on this tab right here to close this window. Just like so, the project has saved it to draft. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on new project right here. Then from the video right here, you have to select your main video first. I'm going to use this particular video as my main video. So I'm going to click on it and click on import. So after successful importing the video, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and make sure I do some split. So I'm going to select the video right here. I'll make sure I cut from the part right here and I will adjust. And then this part right here, I need to also cut some part. So for that, I'm going to cut from the last part right here. So I have this only part in this video. Next thing I'm going to do here is that I'm going to expand this video more a little bit. And for that, I will just drag and make sure I expand. So just make sure I expand. Just like so. So I'm satisfied with that. So let's play the video. Just like so. So once I'm satisfied with the settings and the size of the video, next thing we want to do is to see how we can add a video overlay. For that, make sure the video is unselected. And the next thing you want to do is to swipe right here. And then what you want to do is to make sure you look for PIP. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on PIP, then it's going to take you to this particular options right here. Then here, you can select the video that you want to add as overlay. So I'm going to use this particular video right here. So I'll go ahead and make sure I add the video. Once you add the video, it's going to load. Then once the video load, it appear. Then go ahead and click on here to accept the video. And the next thing we want to do is to go ahead and select the overlay. And then we want to make sure we drag and make sure it's snapped to the video from the beginning in the timeline right here. So I'm going to go ahead and drag it to the timeline. Now I have to make sure the video have the same length. So for that, I just have to drag it this way. And this is where I want the video overlay to stop. I'm going to select the overlay now. Then I'm going to go ahead to select the overlay. And I'm going to go ahead and click on here to delete from the last part. And just like so, then I have the video overlay right here. So I have to make sure I make the video overlay timeline active. Then I have to drag this way and make sure I increase the size of the video overlay. Then I have to reposition it right here. So once you are satisfied, let's play the video. So we have the video, then play overlay of the video. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Filmora video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.